Hey guys, so I did an Instagram poll on what video you guys wanted to see next here on my YouTube channel, and surprise, surprise, I'm going to show you how to do the unthinkable and take my red colored hair client to a beautiful dimensional blonde. This was a 5.5 hour color correction, but worth every minute, so let's jump right into this video. About 4 months ago, my client made an appointment for another blonding session, but when she arrived, she shocked me saying she wanted to go as bright red as she could, and that's what I gave her. I used Kenra Demi Permanent 6RR, keywords here, Demi Permanent. So all of my clients and fellow stylists who know me know that 95% of the time when it comes to hair color, I'm using a Demi. Only time I don't is when it's for gray coverage. When it comes to black or red, I am most definitely using a Demi. With red hair, things are a little different, however. Red hair will fade out quick, but be the hardest to get out of the hair, Demi or not. For my client today who wanted that red gone as quickly as possible, I decided instead of going in with a color remover or a bleach wash, I would do a tightly packed Babyliss, and for all the remaining dropouts, tone them down instead of teasing and painting them all with Lightener, because we didn't have a clue if she was going to lift, and if she did lift, we didn't know how even she was going to lift. Also, my client uses a lot of heat on her hair, so it was a little dry, but nothing alarming to me. She's going to get Fanola products and really take care of her hair from now on, since our hair goal is about a minimum of 2 more sessions away. So I almost forgot. We used my Ride or Die Lightener Schwarzkopf Blonde Me with 20 volume, and even though this lightener has a bond connector like Olaplex built into it, I still use my 16th ounce of Olaplex in each bowl. As you can see, I'm using one of my go-to foil placements, which is 3x3. 3 foils in the center, 3 on the right, 3 on the left, and repeat it and brick laid all over the entire back of the head. Once I finished the back, I went back and mixed some Goldwell Colorance 3/4 6A and 1/4 6N and applied it to all the dropouts to counteract some of that remaining red pigment until our next session.
Speak
So I decided, since this was our first lightening session in this process of going blonde and getting rid of this red, I wasn't going to do the headband slicing that I normally would on my blondes, but I did do 2 back-to-back slices for money pieces, and I made sure they were really, really small so they could be as even and light as her hair would allow. Alright guys, it's my favorite time. It's toning time. As you see, I'm mixing up my root shadow formula, which I'm using my Demi liquid Lumishine 5N, 5NA equal parts. And then for my special concoction, my toner, I use shades EQ 7T, 8V, 8GN, 9P. All of the stuff I used, all my formulas, and all the things in this video that I used on my client today will be in the description box below at the conclusion of the video if you want to check it out. I let the shadow sit for 8 minutes, then washed out Olaplex number 2 off her ends, and then toned her all over while mushing the root shadow in as well for a perfect blend. Alright guys, there you have it. Look how amazing that hair looks, and you're still seeing it with toner in it. Way better than either of us expected. Like I say all the time, and I'll say it again and again and again, baby lights, baby lights, baby lights are the way to go. A lot of work, very tedious, but worth every single foil. Do not be lazy, do good hair. Your clients will notice, recognize, and appreciate. Please like this video, share, and subscribe. And if you really like what you saw, click the bell for future video notifications. Any videos you're interested in seeing, let me know in the comments down below. I love hearing feedback. Everything I used along with my Instagram name will be linked down below in the description box. Take care, have a great night, have a great weekend, have a great week, and check back every single Friday for a tutorial from me here on Brett Ryan Hair Artistry YouTube channel. Talk to you soon, guys. Have a great night. I'm gonna die when I'm editing this video later.
You're looking like shit editing the whole
Keep
time.
going faster.
Faster.
Alright, for serious, for like 5 seconds.